Alright everybody, hi, this is me Vinu Venkatesh again on behalf of Sai Education for Competitive Examinations. So we're going to start a new topic today. It's called linear equations, and let's see what a linear equation is. First of all, what is an expression and what is an equation? Okay, both are different. For example, 2x plus y and x plus y are expressions. But if we say 2x plus y is equal to 5, then it is an equation. So whenever there is an equal to sign which connects two expressions or an expression and a number, it is called an equation. Okay. Then what is a variable? Variables are items which can take on any values, and they are denoted by different alphabets. For example, x, y, z, a, b, c, l, m, n, o, and so on. These are called variables. Okay. Now a single variable is basically, for example, if we are given an equation, is this an equation or an expression? This one, it is an equation. Why? Because it has an equal to sign. It is connecting an expression and a number with an equal to sign, therefore it is an equation. So x here is a variable because we don't know the value of x. We have to find the value of x. So when we solve for x, you get a 7/3. Okay, this is just talking about two variables. Now, what is a polynomial? When all powers of a variable are positive integers, that expression is called a polynomial. For example, x squared plus 5x plus 2. What is the power of the variable here? Well, there are two. X has a power 2 and this x has a power 1. They are positive integers. The powers are 2 and 1, which are positive. Therefore, this entire expression is a polynomial. But this expression, x squared plus 1 by x, is not a polynomial because here x has 2 as the power, positive, but this x has the power -1. Remember when we looked at exponents, we said that 1 by x could be written as x raised to -1, right? So since -1 is negative, we cannot call this expression a polynomial. Okay. So sometimes we are given many expressions where the powers of the variables are different. So variables are different. So we have to know a concept called degree. What is a degree? Degree is the highest power of a variable in an expression. It is called the degree of that expression. For example, 2x plus 5, the degree of this expression is 1. 2x squared plus 3y, the degree of this expression is 2. 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus 5. What is the highest power of the variable here? It is cube, x cubed. So the degree is 3. Here, what is the highest power? X cubed plus x squared, y squared plus 3y. What is the highest power of this? It is 4 because it's 2 plus 2, 4. Right? Now, expressions where the degree is 1, like this one, are called linear equations. Equations where the degree is 1 is called linear equation. Equations where the degree is 2 is called quadratic equation. Equations with degrees 3 is called cubic equation. Let's look at some of the questions. Now we've done this before. In fact, all of these are simultaneous equations. We have solved these in our previous lectures. So I'm not going to do every one of them. I'm going to do one. We have discussed how to solve it, so you know it, but please practice them. Okay, first one. 2x plus 3y is equal to 17. 3x minus 2y is equal to 6. Find the value of x and y. So these are, first of all, equations because they are connecting one expression with a number with an equal to sign. What is the degree of the first equation? It is 1 because the highest power here is 1. It is x raised to 1, y raised to 1. Same with the second one. So these are called linear equations because equations with the degree 1 are called linear equations, correct? So now these are in order to find the value of x and y, we have to solve them like we solve simultaneous equations. So first let us call the first equation as number 1 and the second one is number 2. So remember how to solve it. We have to cross multiply in most cases so that we get the same term, any one term with any one variable, we get it with the opposite sign but the same value. So here we will multiply the first equation by 2 and the second equation by 3, so that here it becomes plus 6y and here it becomes minus 6y, which can get cancelled. So the first equation when multiplied by 2 becomes this. The second equation when multiplied by 3, it becomes this. And then we can cancel plus 6y minus 6y. You get 36y. You get 13x equals to 52. Therefore, x is equal to 4. In order to solve for y, substitute the value of x in the first equation. So 2 into 4 plus 3y is equal to 17. When you solve for y, you get 3. So x is equal to 4, y is equal to 3. Now, I'm not going to do the remaining of the questions because they are just the same. I want you to please do it by yourself. They're very simple and they're all simultaneous equations. So that brings us to the end of this topic. We'll be starting a new topic next time. So please keep practicing and all the best.